Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are with my friend and we have to dress up in 5 minutes. Okay, and it's Blue Bliss. Blue. There. I do like these colors. Okay. We are looking good so far, guys. And yeah. Here are these. And outfit. Well, I don't really need an outfit, but like, still. Oh gosh, those things. Oh my god. Let's just, oh no. What about this one? Yeah, let's just wear this because, yeah, it has nothing on the arms and body, skin tone. Okay. I think we look good, guys. That's not a COVID-19 cough, don't worry. I'm gonna pause this video until like this round gets started. Okay guys. Okay guys, we are back. This round started and yeah. Okay. And now I think we just have to wait and see who wins. Yeah. And then, yeah. What's one thing most people don't know about you? Miss Elizabeth, time. Bleh. I can't read. If you had to live another time. Wait. If you had to live another time period, what would you choose? I don't know what I'd choose to. To a year back from this year. Okay. And then, what's your favorite musical instrument and why? A piano. It's really easy to me because I know how to do it, and yeah. Oh. Okay. We are dancing. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay. I really want that tail thing that she has on right now. I really badly want it. Because, yeah. My blue kind of looks like white, but I could still see some blue. But I love this color blue. It's like so light and cute. Yay! I want that dress so bad. That skirt, look at how beautiful it is. Okay, I'll vote for her. I'll vote for her. I'll vote for her. I'll vote for her too, because I would if she wasn't like glitching. Oh no, I wish I had enough diamonds to vote all of these people though. But yeah, hers looks like more purpley than blue. Cause yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's see who wins. It's time to reveal whatever. In third place, winning 400 diamonds. Okay, it's the AFK farming girl, whatever. Second place, winning 600 diamonds. Congratulations, Miss Tralala. Ooh, congrats. I couldn't type. I can't. Her dress is so big. Okay, at least we leveled up. I'm level 60. I'm level 60. Yay. Oop. Wait, I'm gonna try to look for that skirt. So I have one of these, one of these, one of these, one of these, one of these. I'm trying to save up for this one. And I was trying to save up for this because I had like 15,000 whatever before, but then I wanted to buy I think it's called the Dear Dolly bow. I meant ribbon, whatever thing. Is that thingy, wait, not even here? I might want to save up for this one. It looks really pretty. But I'm gonna save up for, I really love this one. I'm gonna save up for this one because it's like the cheapest one I could get that's long. I already own this one and I don't really like it. I bought whatever it's called. I don't know. This, I bought the Miss Lady Rose bow. And I do have this one. I do like this one. It's cute though. Oh my god, I need those sleeves. I need those sleeves. Accessories, whoopsies. Yeah, I think that's what they're on. Well, maybe they're gone. I don't know. They are probably gonna be gone though, but oh well. Okay, I really want these. I was saving up for them, but then October passed and yeah. I really want the parasol and these. I really want them. And where are those? Okay, who cares? We'll just... Okay, the intermission is ending. Kawaii cute fashion. I think I look good right now though. Maybe I just have to make this pink. This one is probably gonna be a little lighter. There. And there. In the Royal Rebel thingy corset. And yeah, I think that looks cute. The reason is I'm keeping this head face on is because to me it's really cute and yeah. Walk packs. This one looks so cute. Oh, but when you walk it's kinda weird. Toy, elder, pirate, zombie, robot, yeah. Robot. The marathon runner, werewolf, astronaut, whatever. I like bubbly and this stylish. Guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. I need to tell my friend I'm ending it. Where is she? Did she leave? Oh. Wait, where are you? Wait. I'm gonna private message her. Where are you? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna end the video. Oh guys, her thingies are taking. Yes, I am, obviously. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notification. In the last video, also in the last video, enter the giveaway. Yeah. Bye.